Welcome to my video Real Estate Investment Formulas, the Ultimate Guide. Hi, Tom here. I was in the same position as you, and honestly, I thought real estate investing was for people with a lot of money or investing experience. Then I discovered this investing and education program that completely changed my mind about real estate. It's changed my life. In a moment, I'm going to give you a link to the program and you can check it out for yourself. Beginner's Formula for Real Estate Investing. Step 1. Identifying your financial stage for investing. Real estate is like other forms of investing in one very important way. Your financial health will dictate the types of investments you'll be able to make. If you save $500 per month after paying your bills and you have $10,000 in savings, you're not going to be buying million-dollar properties tomorrow. That's just not going to happen. On the flip side of the coin, imagine you have $10 million in savings and you'd like to put that money to work. It's not doing much just turning a negligible amount of interest in a few savings and money market accounts. So you decide to invest in real estate. The most efficient use of that capital wouldn't be to buy single-family homes and rent them out for a monthly cash flow profit. There's nothing wrong with that type of investment. However, with $10 million of capital, there are many more productive ways to put that money to use rather than renting out single-family homes. The point we're trying to make is that you need to understand your wealth stage before you start investing in real estate. As a beginning investor, your number one goal should be to minimize your losses. And a close second place goal would be to learn as much as you can. That's right. When you're first starting out, you shouldn't look at real estate investment as a cash cow that will make you rich overnight. You have to understand that financial independence through real estate takes place over time. You can realize exceptional annual returns on average, but only after several years or even decades. You can even realize nice monthly profits even when you're just starting out. Just remember that because you are just getting started as a new real estate investor, you want to preserve your capital as much as you can and learn as much as you can. That brings us back to wealth stages. You need to identify what financial stage you are in. In our next video, let's take a look at the different financial stages and some common investment strategies for beginners depending on your financial stage of development. They'll help you to avoid losses while earning some extra money, and you learn valuable knowledge along the way. To start your real estate investing journey, go now to m-i-c-k.net/MHBJ. If this helped, please give this video a thumbs up. To get notifications and new content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for instant notification.